YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiast, collector or anyone who appreciates that of fine writing instruments. I'm Navi and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review this Monteverde USA MV42313 and Monteverde USA MV42313 Ritma model fountain pens. We have two different colors in the same model. Today we are going to review this pen. So here is the pen. Okay. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Before reviewing this pen, we'll see the box first. Here is Monteverde brand box and the brand name and then logo on the bottom of the box. It's soft and elegant gift box. You can see here they mentioned Monteverde, a world of luxury and innovation. They are mentioned here. Here is a pen. We'll keep this pen in this box. And here is a tag. They have given a manuals for a Ritma TM magnetic cap. Yes, it's a magnetic cap pen and they have given the same color. A new technological innovation from Monteverde USA is a airtight magnetic cap. It's a precision engineered to perfectly fit over the front section to avoid air passage and ink drying. No need to twist off, gently pull the cap and listen for the slight popping sound as the seal releases. Okay, next they have given this card. Different colors are available in this, and this manual is a warranty card, and then all the pens they have manufactured that instructions are there in here, like a roller ball pen refill instruction, ballpoint pen and then fountain pen. All the instructions are here, and the bottom we can see a cartridge. The space for the cartridge is for blue and then black, blue and black. It's a small cartridge. Now we'll see the pen and we'll start reviewing. This overall body is made up of titanium metal, and here is a gunmetal cap and the trim rings. In the mid, this comes with a red shade and it's just amazing look wise, and then it's very pretty cool. And I just love this pen, both the colors I love. Here is a clip. They didn't mention the brand name in the trim rings or band in the clip. In the pen cap, bottom of the cap, they have mentioned Monteverde USA Ritma model. And this clip, it's a very tight clip. So we couldn't insert this in the pocket. It's very tight actually. But it looks very pretty. We can insert, but we need to take a little bit pressure. And this comes with a flat finial in the top and in the bottom. It's very cool and amazing. So now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Monteverde model fountain pen. So we are going to use vernier scale to calculating the overall length. It's 136.32 mm. Now we'll remove the cap and calculate the length. It's 128.40 mm. Now we'll calculate the grip section diameter. It's 12.14 mm. There is no thread part here, so we don't want to calculate the length of thread part diameter. We'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Monteverde model fountain pen. It's 48 gram and this is an heavyweight pen. Now let's unscrew the cap and check the weight. It's a snap-on cap and it carries 16 gram and this is a magnetic cap. This overall body carries 32 gram. Now let's unscrew this and check the bottom, the barrel of the weight. Barrel carries 17 gram. Grip section including the converter carries 15 gram. I'll pull off and check the converter weight. And this comes under milligram. This grip section part, it carries 12 gram. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the construction and this is an heavyweight pen as usual with unusual length. Now look into the pen, it's a snack spawn cap. The best thing is the magnetic cap. So we don't want to make more pressure while closing this cap. And it's just very nice. You can see here. That's it. It's a snap-on cap with amazing grip section. And this is a small grip section you can see here. The best thing in the nib is it's a black PVD nib. It's a medium nib. They have mentioned the brand name and logo here. And that nib itself they have mentioned the brand logo, and especially in the breather hole, next to the breather hole they have mentioned again the logo. And it's Monteverde USA. They have mentioned both the things double times, and in the medium nib they have mentioned in the right side corner of the nib. And this feed, it's a usual feed. Now we'll see the ink system type. We are unscrewing this. Yeah, it's 3-in-1 model. One is we have a O-ring here, so we can use as a eyedropper model. Second thing, it's a converter. So this type of converter, this types of ink system is a versatile ink system. And in the converter also different converters are there, like spring type and then push on type and screw type. This is a screw type converter. So, and the third thing is it's a cartridge. We already saw in the box. We have a 2-color ink cartridges, blue and then black. In the same way, now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Monteverde model fountain pen. So that we are going to use Penhouse.in manufactured ink. This is the shade of red, and we are going to do the writing sample of Signal Rose ink color. We are going to dip the ink and rub in a cloth. We are going to do the writing sample now. First, we are going to write Penhouse.in. Wow. Penhouse.in, and this is Signal Rose color. Brand name is Monteverde. And it's medium nib. This is an heavyweight pen, but it's writing very smooth. And this nib is a black PVD nib. I'll do the rubbing test. The smoothing test. It's very smooth actually. And this grip section, it's not slippery and very comfortable for my hands, and for all the hands users it will be very comfortable. I'll write the alphabets. We just dip once and we are doing the writing sample. It's very smooth, and the ink flow, it's perfect. I'm not making more pressure while writing. It's very smooth and amazing. I'll draw the horizontal line and vertical line. Yes, perfect. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's very smooth. Even it's a heavyweight pen. While writing, the smoothness of this nib and this pen, so I couldn't feel that overweight, and I just love this pen. Even though it's a signing purpose pen, but we can use regular use because of that smoothness. And I just love this pen. So if you want to purchase this pen, website link is pinned in the comment section. And whether Penhouse is only doing this types of pens, reviewing and uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers. We are retailing different branded pens like Monteverde, Cross, Lamy, Schiffer, Parker, Ranga, Ratnam, all branded pens, including spares are available in Penhouse.in. And the second thing, whether you're having a lot of collections of pens, you're using some pens rare use or often, you need to do the proper service, otherwise the rust and many things will happen to the pen, it will damage your pen. So you need to do proper service. That service, repairing works, all the things are available in penhouse.in. If you want to know all the things and all the categories of us, link in the description, kindly see to it and enjoy your order. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye.